Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lower your price or decrease the price of your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. After you go to the marketplace, all you need to do now is to go to your listing that you want to lower its price. So you will go to selling and here we will find the list of all your listing. Then you will click on this three dots icon or button. You go to edit listing and here you will need just to edit the price of this listing. So you can just make it like this and then you will click on update and the informations of the listing will be updated. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.